So here's how you can put text in any specific part of a video through iMovie on your iPad, right? So let me show you how it works. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the important part is that you can use your iMovie, open up the app, import all of your clips. Of course, everything works just fine, but the way to add a text is by selecting the clip at the bottom, and most likely you'll have the actions below selected, but I want you to click on the titles, which is the T icon, and this basically lets you pick any like style of the text you want to add. So if I go with just the first one, you can see that I can change the color, change the font, and also like the style, the shadow, if it's supposed to be uppercase or not, edit for the full clip duration. So there are more options in here. But the point is that I can click on the text directly on the timeline, click on edit, type in whatever I want, and then I have the ability to just grab the little text and then drag it anywhere I want across the shot, right? So if I want to have it in a specific position, like in the top right corner, I have the ability to do it. And I also have the ability to adjust the size, so I can resize it, make it smaller, larger, whatever. And yeah, that's kind of how I can add it. Of course, iMovie is not the best video editor if you ask me, but it gets the job done. And if you are used to this video editor from Apple, then it's gonna make things work for you. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it function and added the text on your iPad. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.